Okay, today we are gonna learn the tornado kick. The tornado kick is one of the easiest basic kick tricks in tricking. First, you need to learn the roundhouse kick. Lift your knee up and turn your plant leg and hip at the same time. The hip and the supporting leg are turned so that they are facing to the side. Lift your knee, turn your hip and plant leg and extend the kick. It's all about the hip turn, so control your arms and turn your hip and plant leg at the same time. Okay, the next thing is to learn the cheat step. So let's just start by stepping about 180 degrees. Move all your weight to the jumping leg and lift your other leg up. Now just jump and switch your legs while at the air. So stepping about 180 degrees. This time think about stepping so that the heel of the right leg is pointing to this direction. Then lift your other leg up and jump and switch. Wind up your arms like this and shift your entire weight to the side. And swing your arms like this at the same time. Lift your other leg and your arms up and then switch and extend the kick. Use your arms like this. If you execute all these steps together, it's a tornado kick. Here you can see the cheat setup that I use when I'm doing my tornado kick. You can see the weight is shifting from right leg to left leg, and as I'm stepping, it's shifting again from left leg to right leg. Again the same, but from the side view. And here is the jump, and jump all the way from your toes. Now this is one of the most common mistakes people are doing when learning the tornado kick. And okay, that's about it. Tornado kick, it's quite easy trick to learn, but it takes some time to master. There's all these little details that can make it better. Hope this helps, and remember to subscribe for more content like this.